Happy holidays from Parker Tax and Notary Services, where every day is Christmas. We are so excited with the upcoming tax season with all the new tax laws regarding filing of dependents and Schedule C filers. This is self-employed people such as barbers, hairstylists, home daycare, landscaping, etc. My office has set time aside January the 9th through the 15th for open house, 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. nightly. This would be a question and answer session. Please come out and join us. But to clear up some of the calls my office has been receiving due to the signs along the road, it is true, earned income credit is based on earned income, but for a person to receive that $3,094 for one child, you must make between $9,100 to $16,700. Two kids, $5,112. You must make between $12,750 to $16,700 to get the max. Three kids, $5,751. You must make between $12,750 to $16,700 to get the max. The more you make over the $16,700, the earned income credit goes down. You still qualify, but not the max amounts you see along the streets. Also, married filing jointly filers. Income ranges from $9,100 to $21,800 to qualify for the same amounts I just mentioned. Anything over the $21,800, the credit starts going down as well. The $1,000 child tax credit is still available for dependents under 17. So please join us for open house to get the correct information and all the new tax laws and changes for the upcoming 2011 tax filing season. Other questions that have been asked this year: check stub filing. You must wait for the W-2. All companies should have them out January the 31st. The reason for this is sometimes the W-2 doesn't match